Porsche is happy to be back in Shanghai for the world premiere of the third generation Panamera.
Wir haben zwar die Sportlimousine nicht erfunden, aber wir haben einen Porsche daraus gemacht.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chairman of the executive board of Porsche AG, Oliver Blume.
女士们、先生们，欢迎保时捷全球执行董事会主席奥伯穆先生。
Good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. It's great to be back here in Shanghai. It's been a good 14 years and it was right next door to where we are tonight. Back then, a whole new chapter of the Porsche story began when we welcomed a new member to the Porsche family, when we first presented our luxury and comfort flagship, the Panamera. As always, we are aiming high. Some of you may remember it involved a pretty hair-raising elevator ride. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the new Porsche Panamera.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Porsche Panamera.
女士们、先生们，全新保时捷 Panamera。
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the director, exterior design style Porsche, Peter Varga.
女士们、先生们，欢迎保时捷全球外观设计总监毕加格先生。
Hello and good evening. A truly golden moment. I don't think Oliver Blume promised too much. Since its introduction in 2009, the Panamera has been a huge success. Like no other car, the Panamera combines different characters. The formal appearance of a sporty coupe, the luxurious character of a saloon, and the functionality that is untypical for a true sports car. The Panamera continues to be the sports car in its segment. In the most typical way, we have continued to refine the car over the last 40 years. As a result, the new Panamera is not a revolution, but a sophisticated evolution. When we look at it, we see the consistent development of our brand and product identity, the unique Panamera identity. The new design is stronger than even before, focused on intelligent combination of modern luxury and uncompromising sportiness. At first sight, the new Panamera is recognized as a true member of the Porsche product family. We kept the brand's iconic identity. The attractive width-to-height ratio characterizes the overall sporting appearance. The design is defined, refined, and beautifully modernized in its appearance. The new front stands strong and proud, supported by pronounced fenders and more upright headlights design. This, combined with a focused, unique 4-point signature light graphic, is both attractive and highly technical in its execution. The new Panamera ensures a strong visual presence. In the side view, the new side window graphic is one of our most important design elements. The new shape, the words, the rear reinforce the saloon character in its flanks, whilst keeping it typically Porsche. At the rear, we further developed the continuous light bow, which is an elemental part of the Porsche design language. Adding to the overall width of the car, the rear is just clean, reduced, and precise in its detail. We have further focused the interior of the new Panamera towards to the driver. A clear design combined with luxurious materials creates a high-quality sporting ambience. The innovative decor concept extends from the center console to the dashboard and seamlessly into the doors. Combined with a steeply rising center console, it is one of the most present features of the new Panamera cockpit. For the first time, we have implemented continuous ambient lighting along the entire front section, emphasizing space. More than ever, the focus is on the driver axis. The principles of the Porsche driving experience are the basis for its new design, consistently geared to the needs of a sports car driver. All elementary functions. As a result, handling the new Panamera is even easier and more comfortable in all driving situations, but especially when driving dynamically. Another highlight is the freestanding instrument cluster. For the first time, it is designed in a display in a curved optic that offers 7 different views to choose from. As a result, and typical Porsche, we have a perfect balance between analog and digital controls. Also brand new at Porsche and now available for the first time on the Panamera is the new turbo differentiation. For almost 50 years, the turbo models have enjoyed an exceptional position. To emphasize their uniqueness, we have now refined the look even further. All turbo models will now come with an exclusive version of the modernized Porsche Crest. Turbo Night, a new color from Porsche, will be used on selected areas of the interior and the exterior of our new Panamera, reinforcing the model identity of a turbo. The new turbo differentiation makes the look of the turbo models even more distinctive. I kindly invite you to discover the unique details together with us later. Now I would like to hand over to Detlef. He will present our second highlight of the evening. Thank you very much.
Take a look at the paintwork, for example. Le Blanc Violet Metallic, a chestnut color with a violet note fading to black. And completely covered real gold flakes, creating an impression of depth. We dream it and we build it. This is how it could look like.
After 7 years of production, the completely new generation of the Panamera celebrated its premiere in 2016.
Die Idee, einen Reisewagen zu haben, mit dem man fahren kann, wenn man will, wie mit einem wirklichen Sportwagen, die hat uns immer wieder begeistert und berauscht. Und genau das kann der neue noch besser.
Als wir uns in der sehr frühen Phase des Panamera-Nachfolgers befanden, war parallel ein für Porsche richtungsweisendes Projekt in der Entwicklung. Das war der Porsche 918 Spider. Mit dem 918 Spider haben wir für uns entdeckt, dass der Hybrid der Performance-Kit der Zukunft ist. Und so haben wir eigentlich den neuen Panamera rund diesen Hybridgedanken herum entwickelt.
Electrification requires a completely new vehicle architecture. Initially 2 and later 3 plug-in drives will be available. The top model is the Panamera Turbo S e-Hybrid with 700 horsepower.
Mit dem Fahrzeug und seinen attraktiven Derivaten werden wir in Europa, in Asien und anderen Teilen der Welt weiter begeistern.